gentlemen, we'll move to the second finalist. And you are still on the running into becoming one of our Columbus 5 Radiants. Congrats to number 11, Nixie Marie Clarita.
Third spot as a finalist is yours. Candidate number 21, making Bella Pinay.
Congratulations, Laura.
Your journey to the crown continues. Candidate number 27, Gary Rapino.
Congratulations, Jalai. And, gaya nga ng aming nabanggit, this pageant runs for a total of 3 decades, so the legacy still continues. Congrats to the next finalist is number 6, Ellen Kyle Martinez.
Congratulations! From top 20, you will be advancing to the top 10. Congratulations, candidate number 29, Violet Paula.
You should welcome the center stage, candidate number 25, Daniel Laguna.
Alright, so 7th spot have been relinquished. Mga kaibigan, we have 3 more spots open. And the next spot belongs to you, Queen! Number! You guys are correct, it's number 8! Lauren Diaz! From Barangay Dos! Hello, Barangay Dos!
2 spots remains. And this spot is destined for you as a finalist. Candidate number 20, Kim Evangelista.
Hello, last battle for our top 10 is candidate number 7, Aura Montecastre.
And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, that completes the Columbus 5 Radius 2025 Top 10 Finalists! And to all of our 9 winners, the rest of you guys, we're really proud. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations, ladies, for making it this far.
Alright, this time, Miss A and Miss Hillary, all the score.
1 minute. Tama po ba? For 1 minute for the statement and 1 minute for the question and answer round. And this time, hindi na ang ating mga kandidata magtatanong at ang ating katanungan ay magmumula po sa ating mga horado. Let's see, do we have like any fishbowl to pick? Again, judges, thank you so much for extending your pick. Oh wow, you guys will be the one who is going to pick your judge. 1 to 17. So go pick number.
So I pick my number 9.
Number 9. Let's see, who will be our number 9? Chairman or the chairwoman of the board of our judges.
Hello, magandang gabi sa iyo, number 9. Simple lang yung tanong ko. Para sa iyo, ano ang mahalaga? Ang pagiging tama o yung pagiging mabuti? Uulitin ko, number 9. Para sa iyo, ano ang mahalaga? Ang pagiging tama o ang pagiging mabuti?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Hindi ko na po papahabain ang aking kasagutan dahil mas pipiliin ko pong maging tama. Dahil pag lagi pong tama at pinaglalaban natin lagi ang tama, magiging mabuti rin po tayo sa paningin, lalo na po sa mga nakababata sa atin. At naniniwala po ako na pag may pinaglalaban tayong tama, hindi tayo magiging mali sa paningin ng ibang tao at mas nakababata. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Malia. But of course, the battle is not yet over. After the question and answer, we'll go straight to your statement. You only have 1 minute. This is free speech. Let's begin. Timer starts now.
Many of you might know me. I'm a full-time joiner. The first two is from different organization, and the last year and now is headed and organized by Sir Francis J. Martari. Thank you so much, sir, for continuing the true essence of this pageant. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? I wasn't able breaking up to show my true self. Not because I fear losing, but because I fear not being accepted of who I am. And tonight, I'm standing here again, not to prove anything, but to be liberated from those fears. They told me I had to change, get a boob job, take on hormones, and even transition, but I chose not to. Not because I judge my lovely sisters who do, but because this is who I am, simple, happy, and proud. And tonight, I would like to dedicate this moment.
I'm really sorry, but your time is up. Congratulations, my dear John Malia, our candidate number 9.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. Our next finalist to face the question and answer in opening statement is our candidate number 11.
11. Guys, again, be mindful about our time limit. We only have 1 minute for the QA, 1 minute for the statement. I'm pretty sure you are far beyond ready. So, Nixie, let's begin. Go pick a number 1 to 17.
I believe my lucky number for this evening would be lucky number 11.
11.
Number 11
Wow.
is Miss
Question
Maria.
from the reigning Binibining Laguna.
Okay, hello, this is your question for Taiwan. Okay, if you were to rank love, family, and career, how would you rank them?
Alright, if I were given to rank love, family, and career, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that I have it all. But for me, I would like to rank it first and foremost my family. No matter what happened, no one in this world will push me through the things that I would like to do but my family. Next is my career. I do everything first and foremost to impress myself, then give it for my family. And lastly, love. I'm in a relationship right now for 8 years. But I believe I would like to put that on list simply because my family and career and the loved one that I have right now is definitely supporting me for what I am doing every day in my life. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Nixie.
The sign is straight to your opening statement. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, your time starts now.
My personality is something different. I may be judged and neglected according to what I really had and what I believe. But I would like to put it in your mind that the social norms that I follow is nevertheless what I really need to do. So I should say this, I am born fighter. I am somebody who is special and educated in every way. If you think that I am not that educated, I am skillful. I am skillful to do things that a straight male and straight female can do better. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here right now in this very stage to become the voice of those who are unheard, the people that cannot fulfill their dreams. I am a dreamer, and I will do anything just to be and to get all my dreams. Thank you so much.
All right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Mahada out, Nixie Marie Clarito, our second finalist. It's number 11. Now, Join us here, step to the microphone, number 21, from Barangay Lawan, Mikey Beljo Manaig. Congratulations to you.
Big good luck, Mikey. Please choose a number.
They say that 13 is a lucky number, but I would like that 30.
Number 13.
Hello, candidate number 21. How are you?
I'm just very overwhelmed for everything that is happening tonight. I'm just really grateful for all the people who come here only to support me and to show love for me. I am very grateful and I hope that I will make you proud tonight.
O, hindi pa yun ang tanong ha. Dahil ang kasagutan ay... Charot. Okay, so here's your question. I will repeat that question twice, okay? With the recent political chaos in our country, how can we define the word unity nowadays? Once again, with the recent political chaos in our country, how can we define the word unity nowadays?
And the recent political issues that is happening in our country today, I know that there is still unity. Unity in the youth. Last recent election, pinakita po nating mga kabataan ng ating kapangyarihan dahil nagtulong-tulong po tayo at nagkaisa po tayo upang may elect po natin ang karapat-dapat sa Senado. Sobra po ako natutuwa na nakita ko po dito si Kiko Expam at si Kiko Pangilinan. Naniniwala po ako na despite of the political issues that we have experiencing, there are still hope. There is still hope, especially us youth, and there is always unity. Thank you and good evening.
Congratulations, Ryan. Now, shake it off. The battle's not yet over, my dear. We'll go straight to your statement. 1 minute. And the timer starts now.
For the information of some of you, last year, I was on this exact stage also. I tried to compete Calambas Carpides 2024, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the crown. But that failure doesn't define me or describe my destiny. I'm now here standing in front of you, just like what our newly crowned Miss Universe Atisa Manalo says, that every time I fall, I always make sure that I come back stronger. And tonight, I'm here wanted to prove to each and every one of you that I am standing here not only wanted to prove how pretty as I am, but also wanted you to realize how purposeful I can be. Good evening, Bayan ng Calambas.
Congratulations. It's number 21, Mikey Manaig. And congratulations, Barangay Lawan.
Alright, and let us proceed to our next finalist.
And the next one is you, 27, Jelay Rapino. Canluban. Wow, congratulations. Where exactly in Canluban do you live? Napakalaki kasi ng Canluban.
Sa Old Stable po.
Old State. May kuryente pa ba dyan?
Yes po, sa Barrio Canubang lang po.
Lang po wala. Congratulations, love. Now, let's direct to your question. Go PA number 1 to 17.
I will choose judge number 7.
7.
Ay, candidate number 27. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang naman.
Oh, congrats. Hindi, tanong ko sa'yo. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na magtanggal ng kulay sa bahaghari, anong kulay ito at bakit?
Okay po. Kung bibigyan po ako ng kulay na magtatanggal sa bahaghari, ano ito at bakit? At ayun po ay ang kulay blue. Bakit? Ano nga ba ang sumisimbolo sa color blue? It symbolizes peace na hindi pa rin nararamdaman nating mga sangkabaklaan na parte ng LGBTQIA+ community. Despite of those discriminations, pangalipusta na marami tayong nararanasan na nakakasakit sa ating damdamin, hindi natin nakakamit ang peace at mabuhay dito sa mundong ating kinagagalawan ng malaya na i-express ang ating sarili dahil may mga taong hindi pa rin tanggap sa kung ano o sino man tayo. Again, kung meron man akong tatanggalin, ayun ay color blue that symbolizes peace because until now, we are not having a SOGI bill into SOGI law that will protect the LGBTQIA+ community here in the Philippines. That's all. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, July, your timer starts now.
Ang corona ay simpleng bagay lamang sa iba, ngunit para sa amin, ang hirap itong makamit sa bawat karera. I started joining beauty pageants since 2023, and I realized that pageantry is not all about fame and crown. It's all about sharing stories that will inspire others and embracing the journey with a purpose. Sabi nga nila, your dreams are limitless. So I proudly want to say that I am estudyante sa umaga, kontesera sa gabi. And now, I'm a graduating student taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at St. Benilde International School. I failed to enter top 5 last year, but life gives a second chance. And according to Luke 1:37, for with God, nothing shall be impossible. Walang susuko sa pangarap, subok lang ng subok hanggang sa makamit natin. That's why I come back stronger and ready to be your next
Right on time. Congratulations, Jolly Rapino, our Queen 27 from Canlubang. Congrats, love. Now, we only have 6 remaining queens, and the next one is you, Alan Kyle Martinez. Congrats, Alan. Be careful. Again, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Magandang umaga to each and everyone.
Kapatid, let's dive straight now to your question. Go pick a judge. 1 to 17.
I pick judge number 1.
1. Judge 1.
Hello. Hi, Alan. Basta. Ayos lang bakit?
Ay, ito yung tanong ko. Hihirapan ko. Meron ka bang tanong sa Diyos kung bakit hindi kanya ginawang tunay na babae?
Ulit ulit.
Meron ka bang tanong sa Diyos kung bakit kanya hindi ginawang tunay na babae?
Napakaganda naman ang katanungan. Ako ba may tanong sa Diyos kung bakit ako hindi ginawang babae? Isa lang ang katanungan na yan na pinakamahirap sagutin ng aking isipan. Mga minamahal kong manonood, ang tanong din sa isipan na lagi kong tinatanong na bakit po ako ang karapat-dapat makatanggap ng sakit na ito, no? Bakit po, ano? Tatanungin ko ba ang Diyos kung bakit ako hindi naging babae? Mas tatanungin ko na po na ako ay nahihirapan ngayon at tatanungin ko ang Diyos kung bakit ako nagkaganito at nakikita at nilalait ng mga tao na akala nila hindi ko kaya ang kayang gawin nila. Ako po ay nakatibig sa inyong harapan upang maging inspirasyon ng lahat at handang makaronahan ngayong gabi nito. Siguro kung may tatanong ko ang Diyos na bakit ako hindi naging babae, siguro no reply kasi hindi naman siya nagsasalita. Joke lang po. Thank you so much.
Nakakainis, no? Anyway, Alan. Alrighty, kapatid, compose yourself. Assume your position. Now, Alan, this time, after the Q&A, we'll go straight to your statement. And you only have 1 minute to offer and deliver your statement. Timer starts now.
Ilang taon ang nakaraan sigurado ako ay bilang sa mga taong may kapansanan. Naranasan ko ang hirap na magpagsabayan dito sa ating lipunan. Ngayon, ako'y nakatibig sa inyong harapan upang maging boses ng mga taong may kapansanan dahil hindi hadlang pagkakaroon namin ng kapansanan upang makayanan namin ang mabuhay. Kung ako ang isa sa makakoronahan ngayong gabi kalabas 5 yes, ako ay patuloy na magiging simbolo ng pag-asa at pagkakaisa. At patuloy na ipapagdating ng tunay na kahalagaan ng Republic Act 7277 o Magna Carta for PWD na sa aming sektor ay nakaraan. Bagamat kami ay may kapansanan, naway kami yung turing na karapis at walang diskriminasyon dahil tulad ninyo, tayo ay nabubuhay sa ilalim ng iisang kalangkan. Muli ako po si Alan Caldereta Martinez, advocating the rights and anti-discrimination for the person with disability, and I deserve to win this round. Thank you so much.
Wow. Applause for words. Thank you. Congrats. Congratulations. Alan Martinez, Barangay Bansan.
Okay, 5 more queens.
And the next one is from Barangay Rial, Violet Hello.
Violet, it's time for you to shine.
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who is here right now because it wasn't a rapid moment. I would like to thank my family and my friends and the panel board of judges. Thank you for being here and thank you for letting me in. The last time is not the last fight. This will be the real fight. Thank you.
Okay, it's time for you to fight. Violet, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Pick a number that corresponds to answers.
Can I pick number 7?
Judge number 7.
Another number. Okay. I pick number 11. 12.
Judge number 12 is Mr. Charlie Kalupig, our Ginoong Laguna, 2025.
Good morning. I will repeat your question twice. So, some people believe that masculinity and advocacy for LGBTQA plus rights cannot coexist. How would you challenge this mindset? Again, some people believe that masculinity and advocacy for LGBTQA plus rights cannot coexist. How would you challenge this mindset?
Sir, can you translate it in Filipino? Thank you.
Siya na magtatagalog.
Okay, just for a better understanding for everyone.
Okay. Maraming mga tao ang naniniwala na ang masculinity o pagkalalaki at advokasya para sa LGBTQIA+ ay hindi kayang mapagsabay. Paano mo i-challenge ang mindset na ito? Muli, maraming tao ang naniniwala na ang pagkalalaki at ang advokasya para sa LGBTQIA+ rights ay hindi kayang mapagsabay. Paano mo i-challenge ang mindset na ito?
I will challenge it in a form of art of questioning. As a teacher by profession, we tend to ask questions to certain students. And by that particular challenging or art of questioning, I will challenge the masculinity or the man of our world. That when you love someone, especially transgender, you are straight. Hindi ka po madedefine as bakla or bisexual than a trans woman or woman. And I always keep in mind that by Soji Bill and educating them, by challenging into art of questioning through Soji Bill, then definitely we can educate the masculinity side of the man so that they cannot be discriminated as well. And this is what the Soji wants. I always keep in mind to a quote that we LGBT are here to always comfort the afflicted and afflict the comfortable. Thank you and good evening.
Thanks so much, Violet, but it doesn't end here because you're about to avail your statement. Are you ready? Violet, your timer starts now.
I believe that Columbus 5 Prettiest is looking for someone who has story and purpose. I am a fashion designer by profession, and I dress my co-candidates for free in order if they win, they will use it for their family, education, and other purposes. This is what my father had taught me ever since I joined pageant, that having a strongest support system with light of other people as well. And I always keep in mind that a true queen is not defined by a crown on her head, but the fire in her words, the wisdom from her words, the fire in her soul, and the strength within her heart. In the end, it's not financial or wealth that will help or change lives, but it's love and action that is freely given from a heart. And if you are looking for a queen just like this, then definitely I am ready to become your Columbus 5 Prettiest 2025.
Thank you so much once again, our finalist candidate number 29, Violet Color from Barangay Real.
Alright, so we only have 4 remaining ladies. And this time around, please join us here. It's Darius Lanaguna from Milagrosa, right? Congratulations, Darius. How old are you again?
I think I am the younger.
Youngest.
Yeah, I am the youngest because I'm only 16 years.
16. Wow, congratulations, my love. Now, my dear, we are back to 0, 50 for the Q&A, and another 50% for the statement. So let's begin the question and answer round. Go pick from 1 to 17.
I choose number 15 po.
15. Ma'am, your question, please.
Morning, number
Opo.
25. Yeah. If this is your last day on earth, how would you spend your last day on earth?
Can you, ulit pa ulit?
If this is your last day on earth, how would you spend it?
How would I spend my day? Last day. If this is the last day on earth, how would I spend it? Well, definitely, I've always believed that life is too short. Mas piliin po natin maging masaya, at piliin ang mga positibong bagay na binibigay sa atin ng ating poong may kapal. Kung ito man po ang last day, then definitely gagawin ko ang nararapat ko sa aking buhay. Magbibigay ako ng saya at ng inspirasyon. Like what I am doing right now, if it is the last day, gagawin ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng inspirasyon na hindi hadlang na wala akong mga magulang sa aking sarili upang magpatuloy sa aking buhay. If it is the last day, bibigyan ko kayo ng inspirasyon at ng saya na hindi hadlang na ulila ka pag gusto magpatuloy ka. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations, Darius. And now, my dear, get ready. We'll go straight to our category number 2, the free statement or opening statement, my dear. Now, 1 minute. And your timer starts now.
Ako ay isang batang ulila sa kanyang mga magulang. Batang punong-puno ng pangarap sa kanyang buhay. Pangarap na maging guro, pangarap na maging doktor, and also pangarap na maging beauty queen. Kaya laman labis ako nagpapasalamat sa mga beauty queen at kontesera na pilit nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at pangsaya sa amin na kababatang LGBT. Ma'am Cassie, A.M. Palatino, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng inspirasyon. So ang speech ay matungkol sa kung bakit dapat manalo. Simple lamang po. Kung alam mo sa sarili mo na kung corona ay hindi lamang gusto sa iyong sarili, pagkus meron kang puso na kayang umintindi, puso na kayang magmahal, at puso na kayang respeto. Because being part of Calambas 5 Years 2025 means carrying both grace and responsibility. And I am ready to do that both with the heart and purpose. And to all the candidates here, always remember that we are all a winner because we all have a crown. Not a crown that we'll wear on our head, but a crown from our heart.
All right, time is up. Congratulations, Darius La Laguna from Milagrosa.